SK Mishra. Today we are here with our the best journey, approach level, extreme level, next level, and we are here for you everyone, to make you sure that the good news. We have a very good announcement for you because SSC has released their 2 vacancies in same month. First of all, released or announced number first CGL-SSC, where 17,727 posts are, and next is SSC MTS has been released, and very extreme level. Just a minute, give to me everyone. I will make you sure everything in each thing in the detailed view. Okay, just a second, give to me everyone. Clear tin time. You everyone watch session, watch and enjoy the session. We will start this soon. Very soon we will start it out. Clear? Have any kind of issues, any kind of the doubts, so you can make me sure you every. I'm waiting for you. And clear, and the best of luck to you everyone, guys. Very best of luck you every. We have a lot of the station series, so we are going to be talking about that most important part of SSC. Okay guys, SSC has released, announced their another one vacancy, MTS, SSC MTS, multitasking. Okay, here SSC MTS, clear? Have multitasking, clear? Full form is multitasking, and this is based on 10th level. Have based on 10th level. I'm making you sure everything. Application begin. Okay beta, application begin, clear, from 27th June beta, 27th June of 2024. Clear? Have application begin from 27 2024. Clear? And the last day of application will be last day of application. Last date of application will be beta, last date of application will be 31/7 means beta July, 37 July. Okay, clear? Have 37 July 2024 beta. When? Till 11 p.m. till 11 p.m. Clear? Hai beta, till 11 p.m. Understand? Last day of application 31st July 2024 till 11 p.m. Clear? Have next beta, correction date. Okay beta, correction beta, correction date will be, okay, 16 to 17th of August. Silent beta, silent, speak not. 17th August, 16 to 17th of August of 2024. Clear? Hai beta. And next saying CBT examination paper first, CBT examination paper first, CBT exam paper first beta. Clear? Have CBT exam paper first beta. When have this? Understand, in the October or November beta, October or beta November beta, October or November beta. Clear? Have October or November beta of 2024. Clear? Have beta, October or November of 2024 have beta. Clear? Have next time beta, minimum age beta, minimum age will be beta 18 years beta. Minimum age will be beta 18 years, and maximum age will be beta, maximum age will be beta 25 to beta 27 according to post beta. Okay, according post beta, according to post beta 25 to 27. Clear? Hai beta. Okay, and for kind information or application fee, application fee will be beta, application fee will be beta for journal and OBC beta, for journal and OBC beta rupees 100 have, and for other all the religions 0 rupees have beta. Clear? Have beta. And total post beta, total पोस्ट बेटा 8000 बेटा 326, टोटल पोस्ट है बेटा 8346 बेटा, क्लियर है, 26 बेटा 8326 बेटा, क्लियर है। एंड हियर सेइंग क्लियर है बेटा, ओके, टोटल दिस वन है एंड दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन बेटा हाई स्कूल में 10th लेवल है बेटा। 10th candidate, which candidate has qualified 10th, those candidate can easily apply, okay, those candidate can easily apply this application. Once again I am going to repeat, SSC has released multitasking, that is MTS, on the basis of 10th category, 10th basis level have this application begin on 27th of 2024, 27th June of 2024, last silent beta, last day of application will be beta 31st of July 2024, clear है, last day will be 31st July 2024 till 11 PM night time. Correction date on any mistake, correction date will be 16 or 17th August 2024, clear है। CBT only one paper है बेटा, one paper then physical है। CBT exam paper first will be held in October or November of 2024, clear। Minimum age will be 18 years, minimum age will be beta 18 years and maximum age will be 25 to beta 27 according to the post wise age have। And total post talk about then 8326 total post have, clear have, total post have, okay, so understand, have total 8326 posts have, where you can fill your form to try your best, 100% you will pay off if you will practice do, clear have, understood, very good। And one good news for you everyone, free classes of SSC MTS free classes will be available on YouTube MAB classes official platform, you go visit and 100% fully classes in free of cost have for you you can join, you can enjoy, you can play, you can best everything in the best level series with free of cost classes, clear। So thank you so much, give me permission to skip and stop this session, we will meet you with the new announcement, we will meet with next level extreme level announcement, you every make sure do you things that we are making here the best approachment for you all guys। So thank you so much to joining us and giving us to the best feel, so best of luck to you everyone, Jai Hind, best of luck। घरवा से बहराज